How to use Moringa oil. Place 2 to 3 drops of Moringa oil into the palm of your hand, using your fingers to warm the oil in your palm. Massage or pat the oil gently onto your face. As you do this, you will feel the skin tightening on your face. Note that warming the oil in your palms beforehand allows the oil to absorb and permeate into your skin faster. Moringa oil can also be used as a glow primer. Pat 2 drops of Moringa oil onto your face before applying your foundation. This allows your makeup to stay fresh and last longer for a lustrous, hydrated look and a refreshing, healthy glow that lasts all day long. You can also use Moringa oil as day or night cream. Apply the oil around your eyes to reduce wrinkles and creases. Or use it as a lip balm. One final tip. You can spread the remaining oil on your hands along your neck or on areas of rough skin or even the ends of your hair as a way to maintain and protect yourself from the sun.